Your semen they taste one kind. You go like improve the taste of your semen so that when you maybe if you taste your semen or your partner taste your semen, go taste your delicious for your mouth. We go talk about how to make your semen taste better. And when you consider making your semen to taste better, it means say your semen go need to be healthier for them to taste better. So we go talk about how to make your semen to taste better.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chup mouth. This matter wey dey ground like this, so na matter wey concern you nwa bobo and nwa baby too. So because today na Men's Day, we wan talk about how we go take fit men dem go take fit dey make their semen dey taste better. So somebody fit dey wonder now, so how semen dey taste? How I go come take know say my semen now or my man semen no dey taste better? Wetin I need to know about semen tasting bad or not? They don't ever tell me say my semen dey taste bad. E get as healthy semen dey taste. Semen wey dey healthy, e get as e dey taste. When man ejaculates, wetin e dey ejaculate na semen, no be sperm. Alright, sperm you no fit see am with your eyes. You go need microscope to see sperm. So wetin man dey ejaculate when he ejaculates after during sexual intercourse na semen. Na that one wey you dey see with your eyes, that thing na semen. A lot of people go dey call am sperm. It's not sperm. You no fit see sperm with just your eyes. You go need onyokometer to take see sperm. That na microscope. Because sperm dem dey small pass. E no be something wey you go see with your eyes. Sperm dey live inside the semen. The semen na im dey carry the sperm. Alright? Semen and sperm, they no be the same thing. I think I don't take my time to talk about the difference between semen and sperm. They are not same. Okay. So now, e get in taste. Some of una when una dey give una man, they blow una man trumpet, una don't taste the man semen before. Okay. Some of una the taste sweet una. Some of una the taste una no like am. Some of una they won't go back to the taste over and over again. Maybe because una find the taste say it's sweet. Or maybe you don't even know the difference between semen wey dey healthy, where the taste dey healthy, and the one wey no dey healthy. Iso from Hong Kong, I see you. Okay, so let's find out. First of all, semen wey dey healthy sef, how e dey taste? Before we go come talk say okay, semen wey no dey healthy, this na how e dey taste. How does a semen taste? Wetin the taste dey be like? So we get e dey salty. Now chance dey say your semen go taste one way today and go taste another day, sorry, because of some of the things wey you chop or some kind, I go break them down for you sharp. So most of the times na things where you chop go fit affect the taste of your semen. So some days the semen go taste salty. Some days if it tastes a bit bitter, sweet, if it tastes like metal, if it is sour, if it is sharp. Flavor still follow, as in with smell and all that. Now, certain food and some other substances them fit change the taste of your semen. If it affect the flavor. But generally, semen, the taste of person's semen, it dey vary. Now, like for instance, the day your semen now, the way you go taste now go different from the way Oga Emmanuel Zubi semen go taste. The way Oga Emmanuel Zubi semen go taste go different from the way Mr. Sam from Chicago semen go taste. Go different from the way I zone from Hong Kong semen go taste. It go different from the way if I am from Ogun State semen go taste. It go vary. But the thing wey dey there be say, even though say the taste dey vary from person to person, generally semen dey is supposed to dey warm and get that salty taste inside am. then e go come get im own unique flavor. You can't get your own unique flavor. Now, wetin be the things and wey fit affect the taste wey your man semen go get, or the way wey you wey be guy semen go taste? You know say just like our sweat. You know say the day wey you chop garlic, wey you chew am, no be say wey even use am cook for food. The day wey you just carry garlic now pack put for mouth now, the way your sweat go smell go different from the way the sweat wey you go sweat the day wey you no chop garlic go smell. If you never experiment am before, try am. Chop garlic come sweat. The way you go sweat the day wey you no sweat, wey you no chop garlic, e go change. Even your saliva, even your urine. If you chop garlic, if you urinate, difference dey dey. The day wey you no chop garlic, difference dey dey. So your diet fit also change the taste of your semen. Now, wetin fit make semen taste bitter, or whether e go fit also make am taste, make the semen smell or taste dey bitter or dey musky, or even smell one kind? Garlic, onions, meat, milk, and cabbage also. Then leafy vegetables them. All these there: ugu, bitter leaf, spinach, water leaf. This one, edita, shoko, e fit. Now, according by some people, allegedly, dem talk say e get some things that wey fit also help improve the smell, the flavor of semen. Make e be say when the man ejaculate like this, the smell go dey more inviting. The flavor, or the flavor wey go even dey inside am, apart from aroma, they say the semen go get flavor. You know how you get ice cream now? They go say this one gets strawberry flavor. You go taste in normal taste of that salty taste. You go come get strawberry flavor inside. Come get vanilla flavor inside. They say things like cinnamon, things like nutmeg. If the man chopped up orange, pineapple, say if it affects the flavor of the man's semen. So the taste, the original taste go come dey there, but now it go come get flavor. Go come be flavored semen. You get it, right? Now they say now it dey more tolerable to the woman. That is, especially if she blow trumpet and swallow it. No be say it go be say it tastes sweeter, but just that na something wey she fit bear. For some people, they find am difficult to, tolerate the smell or the taste of semen. So this kind of food, them now they cut down the natural alkaline level wey dey for inside the semen. Now, another thing wey fit affect wey fit make your, now, okay, I don't break am down, abi. Taste, abi, we don't talk about how you go take fit no taste of semen wey dey healthy, right? We are good. Okay, somebody asked me for color on Instagram. Okay, so color for semen wey dey healthy, even though that's not what we are talking. We talk about taste, but I will just brush that one briefly. So color for semen wey dey healthy, e dey be like white wey dey cloudy white. Okay. Okay, I get tissue for here, for instance. Your tissue now, your tissue paper, okay, the color, say some of them, especially if na that one wey the white where you get, make the white no white like immaculate white. No go be immaculate white, that kind cloudy white. na im be the color of semen, okay, wey dey healthy. Then we don talk about thickness, consistency before, whether e need to dey very thick, whether e need to dey draw. Although for some people the color of their semen fit dey a little, not very, a bit yellowish. Yeah, just small, just small, tiny to side yellow color fit dey, fit mix small for their semen. Some fit be like say e wan be like gray color small like this. If you sha look your semen one day, the color comot from the color wey e be before, the consistency, that's whether e come begin dey too draw, or e begin dey too water or e too thick. If you sha notice any kind change for color, even for smell or for taste, see your doctor. Alright, so let's go back to some of the things wey we fit chop to make our semen taste nicer. Okay, things that we can eat wey fit make our semen taste nicer. I think I don't even mention am when I been talk about wetin you fit chop to make your semen taste nicer. Wey fit make am dey sweet, give you small bitter taste. Pineapple. Why I mention pineapple, according by some people, there's the pineapple fit make their semen taste better. Okay, so but another thing we are also, okay, I'll come back to that one. So let's quickly do this wetin you fit chop to make your semen. We don't talk small about that one now. If you go like to make your semen taste better, you go need to stop some lifestyle choices where you dey make, because it go affect the flavor of your semen. It go also affect some things for your the taste. Smoking na one thing wey dey make your semen the taste, and it dey affect the flavor of your semen. Now, person wey dey do cigarettes, alright, e dey enter inside the flavor of the semen. If you be smoker, especially if you be smoker wey be say you dey smoke well, no be say na once in a while kind of person wey dey smoke, or you just smoke right before sex. You smoke this smoke now, like 2-3 minutes or 5 minutes before sexual intercourse. By the time wey you go ejaculate, that smoke wey you smoke, the flavor go enter inside your semen. E go come out even through for your skin, everywhere, and e go also come out from your semen. So smoking na one of the things wey dey affect the taste of man semen. E dey affect the flavor. E dey give am better flavor. Now, another thing too wey dey also affect the taste of man semen, wey no dey make the semen taste well. If you wan make your semen taste well, you go need to avoid hard drugs. Some of now wey dey do all those hard strong drugs them, or you dey do marijuana, okay, too much of alcohol, e also go affect the taste. They do all those strong alcohol, all those gin, all those strong one, and na so e be heavy drink on top of am. And you dey do plenty hard drugs. If you fit do am, go make you feel good but the taste no good for your semen. When your partner won't give you blow your trumpet and swallow am, or you want come for her face or come for her mouth and all that, if you no make the taste of your semen dey palatable for am. Alright, so if you know say you want serve am something like that, you gats stay away from this if you want your partner to enjoy the taste and the flavor wey dey come from your semen. Then another thing too, if it also affects the taste of, your semen. Now, caffeine. Too much of caffeine, all right, fit affect the taste of your semen. Fit make your semen come dey taste bitter. Okay, if you get plenty caffeine, if you consume caffeine for large quantity, it fit affect the taste of your semen, make am dey taste bitter. Then another thing too wey fit also affect the taste of your semen, okay, na processed foods. All these fast food burgers, fry. Processed food dey wey get chemicals inside am fit make your semen taste bitter. Okay, fit make am taste bitter. So that one too. So but if you want, your semen to taste really better, then you go dey find food like cinnamon, lemon, parsley, those ones then they act like sweetener. They go make your semen, or pineapples, kiwi, blueberries, they go make your semen taste better. They act like, sweetener. Be like where you carry sugar put inside your semen, go make am dey sweet. That na wetin e dey do, okay, for your semen. So another vegetable na that celery, na something wey be say also and e dey high for vitamin C. If you also help flush some salty flavor wey your semen gets and make your semen taste better. Okay, now another thing too wey I go like to mention be say, if you get healthier diets, e dey benefit your semen and your sperm. The more way you clean inside of you, cleaning inside of you means say you dey eat clean, you dey maintain, try as much as possible to maintain health, better balanced diet when you chop, and do some kind healthy way of living your life. That way e go make your release dey cleaner. Once wetin you dey put inside of you dey clean and your inside dey clean, your release, your ejaculation go dey clean. Na garbage in, garbage out. So your semen na indicator of your overall health. So just look am say, if you dey healthy, your semen go taste better. If you, instead of make you dey chop junk food and all that, why you no consider to dey take more of fruits dem, food wey dey high, vegetables dem, take more of that. Go keep your body sam and at the same time you go keep your semen dey taste better, and e go make your sperm dey healthy. I hope say with this viewpoint of mine, somebody say, what did I stumble on? You stumbled on how to make your semen taste better. That's what we are talking about. Okay, so I hope say with this viewpoint of mine, I don't be able to convince you or not to confuse you that, you can actually make your semen taste better by which you dey chop, and you feel make your sperm dey healthier. We don't talk about semen and sperm being healthy. We don't talk about healthy sperm. How you go take fit find out whether your sperm dey healthy or not. I don't talk about that one before. Because the fact that you can ejaculate no mean say you fit impregnate woman. No mean say the sperm wey dey inside that your semen wey you ejaculate fit impregnate woman. So many people, if you carry bucket give them, na they fit ejaculate full that bucket, but that ejaculate no fit turn to baby. because the sperm no dey healthy. So it's not by volume o, because some people think say na when they ejaculate full everywhere means that they are fertile. No be by volume o. So e get normal volume wey you suppose to ejaculate as man. So some people feel like, well, even some ladies dey worried by the volume of the semen wey their partner dey ejaculate. They feel like when e dey certain volume, e mean say the man e no dey fertile or e no go fit turn baby. They need to ejaculate full buckets before e go turn to baby inside of them. No be by volume o. Although I don't break all of these things them down way back. Don't worry. It's loading very soon now. We'll start our series, okay, online and all that. So I will need to go over some of these topics them, and of course the new topics them, what we don't do before. For so many people will be miss them, you go fit catch up with them. So we'll go over it again, some of them, and then of course introduce the new ones then. So I shall hope say with this few points of mine, I don't be able to convince you, not to confuse you, that you actually can make your semen taste better, and if you make your sperm healthier. All right, Bumi say thank you at user. Tell them, some men think that is by volume, or is why you will hear them say I'm okay. There's nothing wrong with me. Okay, educate them very well. At user, God bless you. Bumi Fatola, that the person will send that one enter inside here. Iso from Hong Kong, they ask, say, can semen have the same smell from year to year? Now, like I said, wetin you dey chop na the same thing you dey chop year to year. Now it depend on wetin you dey chop. The same things wey dey enter your mouth. Now wetin dey enter your mouth year to year. Everything where you chop go affect the taste of your semen. So if you be somebody wey be say year in year out, now the same thing you dey chop, the same thing, then say the taste. Then sometimes it fits change, but most times it dey based on wetin you take in. Now it go definitely get as it go take affect the taste of your semen. If you make it taste better or not. Hello, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Morning, now.
Beautiful Uzo Dudoba.
How is your body?
My body kajad. Good morning to all my people, all old and new students.
Yes,
people
sir.
for abroad and for house. I greet all the house. Well, this topic, thank you so much. The thing really be enlightening. Because I just picked some good lesson from this topic.
Okay.
Well, I guess two questions I want to ask.
Go ahead, please.
Is this cinnamon, what will be the name for Yoruba language?
I don't know the name, but wait I know be say booking people where they sell garlic, sometimes they sell them. And they come in two forms. Either
like
for stick, like roots like this, or powder form.
Powder.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the color they be like color of mud.
No, you know the Hausa name. You know this aboki.
I don't know. If you tell them cinnamon, they go know. I don't know the Hausa name.
Okay. Secondly, I also reason something. Like now, me, I did chocolate. Almost like a bit one day face somehow. And I look, these people say one of my siblings today dark color. Our last one, that one yellow, where is our mama. So, but they look say not be orange. Where our papa lick, I been our mama lick orange, come make and yellow. I been a coffee where our papa drink make us black.
Your mommy family.
Like skin color.
Your mommy family get anybody way fair for her family.
Senior sister fair.
Then your sibling gets that one from your mama family.
Because the thing is surprising. See, I person could just get different.
It just be like albino, for instance.
Yes.
Sometimes if you know be say na your papa or something, maybe their immediate family na get them. If it be from the grandfather.
Okay.
the hair. So somehow if you dey for na lineage,
Because as you come, they talk this orange, say, look, all those things, they change the flavor of the semen.
you no consign the complexion wey the pikin go come out with if you pregnant woman, no consign the complexion o. Complexion most times get to do with your gene and your wife gene now. And na your gene and your wife gene. One person gene go overshadow one person own.
Okay.
God bless you too. Okay, Auntie, good morning. Please, does semen have any special smell that make you know that it is healthy? I don't tell you now. So most they get this like we get as it is they like musk for some of them. Okay, for some of them it go smell like musk like this. Most times it's get that musky smell. Yeah, and even sometimes like copper. Most times go this you go see I'm go smell like copper. They get some kind metallic smell. Hello, good morning to you.
Good morning.
Hi, how you doing?
Pardon if I speak English. I have listened to your show since you started in 2019 New Year's Day.
Mm-hmm.
I would have come to the Widows Hangout at least to see you for the first time, but I said it won't be fair. You would chase me away.
Yeah, not a widow.
So that takes care of that. I have two things. One, there's complaint about semen in the woman's vagina being pepperish.
Okay.
Could you please address that one?
Or semen with the pepper inside woman vagina. Now, different is if it cause make woman make semen pepper woman for vagina. I don't talk about allergy before. Say some women they are allergic to their partner semen. In different ways, now the allergy they take affects them. Now, before we even get to that point, semen with the pepper woman for vagina could also be say she don't get bruises. If she don't sustain bruises for her vagina, you know say when the semen enter inside her vagina, e go pepper am. Now why e go pepper am? He say say semen gets alkaline acid inside am. You understand? So that thing now can't go touch open wound, e go pepper am. I know say the semen go dey warm, so the temperature plus the things and wey dey inside the semen go knack something wey dey open wound. E go come make the woman dey feel say the thing dey pepper am. If she don get dryness, she don suffer from dryness wey enter inside bruises, e go pepper am. And it could also be that okay now she being allergic to the man's semen. I don't discuss semen allergy before. I hope I don't answer your question in a way. I no get your name, but I hope I don't answer your question. Hello, good morning to you.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
This is Samuel from Ajangbad.
Welcome, Samuel.
First time caller.
That's for your right cheek.
God bless you. In fact, I enjoyed this program.
Thanks a bunch.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay. Good morning, Atiuzo. My name is Ejehore Friday from Ikorodu. This semen of 18, apart from all that you just mentioned, if man no take good care of him body, it affects. Yes, like I don't tell you before now, say that general health matter is supposed to do on top of this semen matter. Okay. Somebody asked me one question there. Somebody, Uzo, are you married? Someone is asking. Waiting. Someone is asking, it's 10 p.m. Carnival Monday, and I always listen to your show before bedtime. Oh, okay. You they ask all the way from abroad there. I'm not married. How many times I want to come? Shebi if I marry, you go see am, I go post and say I don't marry. Hello, Auntie Uzo. Does semen nourish woman's body? Semen get nutrients. Let's not even forget the fact say semen carry nutrients. Oh. Nutrients dey inside semen, especially healthy semen gets nutrients wey dey nourish body. So semen fit nourish woman body. Healthy semen fit nourish woman body. Does the number of times you ejaculate have effect on the color? I no go say e go get effect on the color, but if it get effect on the volume. Yeah. So the number of times you ejaculate within a particular time, if it gets effect on the volume. So your volume of the semen where you ejaculate, let's say within an hour, or let's say within an hour, okay, let's say 2 hours or 3 hours. So if you do like marathon sex, for instance, and you ejaculate like 5 times within that 2 hours of sex, you go notice say the volume where you ejaculate for your last round, the 5th round, no go plenty like the volume where you ejaculate for the first round or the second round, right? So if you do that long marathon, like you ejaculate consistently within a short, maybe that long time, you do back to back, ejaculate, it fit affect the volume. All right, so as the volume reduces, so also the color changes when it's more than 3 times within a specific period of time. In that regard, it usually changes to somehow cream color and very scanty in quantity. The guy can even feel a little discomfort, uneasiness, or a bit of pain at the end of the discharge. Ahmed, name the person we send that one come all the way from Agege. Me where I like Akpu with or has soup accompanied with better palm wine. Waiting my semen go taste like. Who go check am? Hey, your woman make it check am for you. I believe me, can you check for me? So the color and the thickness of my semen is like kata. Is it okay? You know, say kata get different colors. You know, say kata, it get different colors them. So which color is your own? Which color is your own? No. Kata get different colors. Which one is your own? How do you know the taste of semen and their flavor? Now taste that you go taste them. When you put them for mouth, you go taste them. That's when you go taste them. Now lick them. Now you go taste them. Now, how do you taste something when you no put for mouth? Well done, Ozo. I really miss the full lecture on sperm, but I want to ask if the smell of sperm has the color of bleach. Has similar color of bleach. Is that a normal smell or is bad? Okay, you won't find out whether yes, some people yes. In fact, some of them own not just this they smell like bleach. Some of them they smell like bleach. They taste like bleach. Now it be that metallic taste, copper taste, which some of them own gets. That metallic copper taste where they be musky. Yeah. No, it's okay if it smells like bleach. Now it be that alkaline this thing where they inside the man's semen. Now it be that thing where they make us smell like bleach sometimes.
You never download the Wazobia FM app? Chai! You didn't miss Wella. Oh yeah, download our Wazobia FM app today on Top Apple Store and Google Play Store. Make you fit listen anywhere and everywhere. Join the Chukmouth family today.
Wazobia FM 95.1.
Chukmouth.